Hello everyone, it's been a long time since I posted my last video, so here I am. In this video we're gonna make a game. Actually I am bored of the theoretical stuff I am teaching you, like making rectangles etc, but please watch my previous videos, it will help a lot to understand this code. Okay, so let's get started. Here's code. I will post this code in comments below or description below. Okay, so it is start like this. I've created a setup method, then a size function. You know what the size function do is actually obtain by just display height and width, and that I just obtain a x integer and to determine random values from 0 to its width. So x function is defined, and I just put y as 0 and background to 5 which means the white background. Then what we want to draw, the main logic here, we initialize a game over variable, assigned it 0. After that background to 55 as usual, then align the text to center and plotted the score variable at the center. That's why width by 2, height by 2. So there's nothing new. Then I try to obtain the mouse x variables. So where you put your mouse, it will automatically obtain mouse variables. After that I have drawn a rectangle mouse which obtains the as a mouse x coordinates and height minus base, and I used base as 40. That means it will start from the top below of your screen to the 40 pixels. That's why it is. So you know about rectangle, how to use it. And after that, as a ball we use ellipse. That's why x and y, for x and y are the center of the ellipse, and it's 20-20. That means it's a circle. I mean A or B, A and B of ellipse. After that we increased x and y by change x, change y, and change x and change y is defined as here -5 -5. So it means it will accelerate or deaccelerate, it depends. Okay, so here's logic. If x is less than 0 or x is greater than width, it means the ball will remain in its minimum position or maximum position. X0 is minimum position, and x is greater than width is the maximum position. So if the ball will remain in this location, then change x equal to minus change x. It means it will automatically change the value of x. Say if ball is moving to the right of the screen, then it will automatically, as soon as it will reaches the width, it will automatically assign the change x to the minus. So if the change x was +5 +5 +5, then automatically it will be remain -5 -5 -5. So the ball will come to the left. That's it. After that, if y is less than 0 and the ball is going upward, then it will automatically change y coordinates, as I have told you, the x are changed. And another condition for this, if y is greater than height minus base and y is less than height, that means the y coordinates of ball remains within the layer of the box, as we define the rectangle, the box which you are moving. So it's a Pong game. That means the coordinates of ball will remain within the y dimensions of the box. Then it will check that the ball is in width of the box or not, as we have drawn here rectangle I equal to mouse x. So the x coordinates of the rectangle, we stored it in I, and here we used it, see this. So the 200 is the length of the box. So the value of x will be less than I plus 200 or greater than I. So if it will happen, it automatically then inverse the y again. So ball will collide and move to the y direction. X will not change, and it will increment the game score variable. So and there is one more case, that if the ball did not strike this box or wherever it will go or fall something, then game over equal to 1 and game score will be 0. That means game will be over. Else if game is game over, then background, it will set the background of then fill and print a message that game is over, click to restart. simple text. And this is functions for mouse pressed. If you click something, that means a mouse pressed. If mouse X, this is condition for the block to move. If you are moving the block, then X coordinates and Y coordinates of ball will remain like this, and then it will be automatically change the Y directions, as I have told you. And if game is over equal to 1, which means here I have shown you game over equal to 1, which means game is over, then it will automatically wait for the screen of game over, and where the text is written game over, it will automatically sense that touch is within the range of that text or not. You can see mouse X width Y, it means just drawing a rectangle in center. If you are familiar with coordinate geometry, you will understand what it means. Then automatically it will assign game score equal to 0, game is equal to 0, and it will assign a new X and Y equal to 0. That means the game over equal to 0 again, and it will start from here, and the game will start again and again. So I hope you like this video. Please watch, share, subscribe. And I can't elaborate too much in this video. So if you have any doubts, any questions, post in comment please. And try to run code. Code will run absolutely phenomenal. You will learn too much about it, and the processing ID is so cool. Just try to learn it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. So we are done with the code. Now run this app. Press this play button. It is building APK, running this sketch. Stalling. Just wait. Just installing, open, and see, here we are. Enjoy making games.